Well, the role of the automotive industry globally can't be downplayed over and overemphasized, because this is cars, these are assets that people drive. People use cars to earn a living. People use cars to move around and all of that. So I think the road is quite visible to the eye, to the average. Everybody needs a car. Everybody needs a car to move around, right? From transportation services, the to you use the car for health services, use the car for various purposes. So these things aid movement in an environment. So I would say that it adds to seamless ways of doing things, seamless ways of running transactions, seamless ways of doing your business. Take for instance, someone, like, I've always been so particular about this, right? You find the average man doing business, give that man a car to do his business or to run his business. You see how giving him or her that car improves the business automatically, because the person is able to move around. The person could also sell his services, his goods or services from that car. It makes things more seamless. It makes things less rigorous. Yeah, so I think that that's one of the roles that the automotive industry is playing. Giving people, providing cars to people, opening up spaces for businesses. From a car, just I'm thinking, meditating on the uses of a car. One could come up with few businesses to venture into, from selling cars to using your car to sell stuff, which is a norm now. People use cars to sell bread, clothes, many things. So yeah, I think that it plays a major role in the first in the local space. And when I say the local space, I mean in one's environment. Then of course that's compounds from that is compounded. The impact is compounded, and of course adds makes global impact, and of course adds to the economy of nations. And yeah, so that's it.